Your bank statement should never be a source of mystery or surprise stress. Yet a growing number of people are waking up to find charges they cannot quite explain from a service that promised to make them smarter. This particular learning app, SmartyMe, is all over social media right now with a very tempting pitch. It offers these tiny, manageable lessons that fit perfectly into the gaps of your day. You can learn something new while you wait for your coffee or sit on the train. The interface is remarkably clean and easy to use. It feels like a high-tech way to level up your brain. For someone with a busy schedule, the idea of low-stress education is a massive draw. You think you are finally going to master new skills without the heavy lifting of a textbook. However, the honeymoon phase seems to end quickly for many users once they actually start the curriculum. The most common complaint is that the information is just too elementary. We're talking about facts and concepts that you could easily find with a 2-minute search on any major engine. When you are paying a monthly fee, you expect a certain level of depth. You want specialized knowledge or expert insights. Instead, many feel like they are paying for a fancy wrapper on top of very common knowledge. It is a bit like ordering a gourmet meal and being served a piece of plain toast. The real trouble starts when we look at the financial side of things. The internet is currently filled with stories of people struggling to cancel their subscriptions. Some users report being charged even after they thought they had closed their accounts. Others say the renewal process happened without any clear notification or warning. While some lucky individuals managed to get a refund after a few emails, many others describe a long and exhausting battle with customer support. That kind of inconsistency is incredibly frustrating when it involves your hard-earned money. It creates a sense of risk that hangs over the entire platform. Subscription transparency is the foundation of trust in the digital age. When that trust is broken, people get loud. On top of the billing issues, there are reports of the app being a bit buggy. Sometimes lessons will not load. Other times, the login screen will simply hang there for no reason. When you combine technical flaws with a lack of billing transparency, it is hard to stay enthusiastic. It is not necessarily a total disaster for everyone. Some people might enjoy the casual vibe. But it is certainly a situation where you need to be extremely careful. If you are determined to try it out, you must treat the sign-up process like a legal investigation. Read every single line of the fine print. Look for the hidden checkboxes. Set a reminder on your phone for the day before any trial ends. You have to be proactive because the system does not seem designed to help you. It is a classic example of a product that looks great on the outside, but lacks the necessary substance and fairness on the inside. There are plenty of other ways to learn something new every day that do not involve this much stress. Your curiosity should be rewarded, not exploited by a recurring payment plan that is hard to escape. Keep your eyes open and stay skeptical when an app seems a little too perfect in its advertisements. Take your time and look for alternatives that offer more depth for your cash. It is always better to be safe than to be out $40 for information you already knew. Being a smart consumer is just as important as the lessons you are trying to learn.